šta znači ubiti grad, ne znaš ti pauke kaljavih rovova, ne znaš ti šta znači spavati sad kad sklopim oči.
That is me. That my neighbor, Ahmet Isic. And that is my other neighbor who died. This is Dusan, Ponytail. A Serbian friend from my school days was standing right behind me taking a picture of Dusan. I knew that he was taking the picture. After that, he untied my hands.
What would you do to Dusan if you ran into him today?
I'd do the same things to him he did to me, in the same way. What I lived through, I want him to go through just the same. The worst crime you can do to a person is to take away his freedom, when you have no rights, when you have to walk with your head down, with your hands behind your back, and when you are not free to go anywhere.
Gdje je čuvan veći broj civila muslimanske nacionalnosti iz Iviča za vreme ispitivanja istih, da li imaju živeno oružje. I slično prišao jednom civilu muslimanske nacionalnosti, istom sa nožem odsekao jedno uvo.
Misli kako je. Kako nije moralo doći do svega ovoga.
I am thinking how all of this did not have to happen. How everything was planned and constructed in such a premeditated way. Nothing happened spontaneously.
Da najneverovatnije za ovo oni najglavniji, onaj koji je smislio sve to, ili oni koji su smislili u samom vrhu, neće nikada odgovarati.
Those who are most responsible will never be brought to justice.
Možda će.
Maybe the executioners will have to answer.
Tvorci celog programa.
But the creators and the planners will probably never have to answer to any crimes. They will never be harmed.
Your Honours, in the aftermath of the horrors of the Second World War and the trials by the victorious powers of the Nazi leaders at Nuremberg, it was generally anticipated by the international community that a new era had begun.
The tribunal, all rise.
An era in which the human rights of all citizens in all countries of the world would be universally respected. It was not to be. The past 5 decades have witnessed some of the gravest violations of humanitarian law. Those responsible have too frequently escaped trial and punishment by national courts. Indeed, in many cases, they have been in positions of leadership and power in their own countries, and they have effectively placed themselves above the law. People who have suffered require call for justice. They call for retribution. It's a natural human reaction. The worse the atrocity, the longer the time period during which atrocities were committed, the louder the cry. If that cry goes unheeded, those people cannot begin their own healing process. And in that situation, if you multiply one person in a country by many hundreds of thousands of such victims, if their cries for justice go unheeded, you're going to have a situation where you cannot have peace and reconciliation.
umoran i nem, jablan gromom razvaljen, zagledan u čašu preduboko. Bio mi je stran i na izgled normalan, al tad mu spazih odraz meseca u oku. On me oslovi, pa kako idu poslovi? Ma idu progunđak u vražjeg vraga. Na to on planu naprasno odmeri me sablasno. Nemate vi pojma, braćo draga, ne znaš ti šta znači ubiti grad, ne znaš ti pauke krvavih rovova, ne znaš ti šta znači spavati sad kad sklopim oči, ništa osim tih krovova kada sklopim